Figma is absolutely dominating the accessibility game for design tools, and if you're not paying attention, you might be falling behind. Seriously, with over 1 billion people worldwide living with disabilities and new laws like the European Accessibility Act kicking in June 2025, designing for everyone isn't just nice, it's essential. So why Figma? Their plugin marketplace is stacked. Think Stark, the cross-platform champ for contrast checking, vision simulation, and typography. Then you've got Figma-specific gems like colorblind filters, real-time contrast checkers, Adee for an all-in-one dashboard, and Include for killer accessibility annotations. Focus order plugins even help nail down navigation for developers. Plus, Figma's built-in accessible prototyping lets you test with screen readers like VoiceOver and JAWS, at least on desktop. Adobe XD and Sketch aren't totally out of the loop. They both support Stark, which is great for basics like color contrast. XD has some decent handoff features, and Sketch has its color contrast analyzer. But when you compare the sheer number and quality of specialized accessibility plugins, Figma just pulls ahead. When it comes to developer handoff, Figma's detailed annotations and screen reader testing give it a real edge. And for team collaboration on accessibility reviews, Figma's real-time features are a dream. So, if your team is serious about building inclusive products from the get-go, Figma's extensive ecosystem makes it the strongest contender right now. Choosing the right platform means making accessibility a natural part of your workflow, not an afterthought.